In this video, we'll learn how to work the knit-yarn-over-knit increase. The knit-yarn-over-knit increase is a 2-stitch neutral increase that has an eyelet in the center. A knit-yarn-over-knit increase is just like it sounds. We'll work a knit, yarn over, and a knit into a single stitch to turn one stitch into 3. Insert your needle into the leading leg of the next stitch and knit it, but leave the old stitch on the left needle. Create a yarn over by moving the yarn to the front of the work between the needles and over the needle to the back. Knit into the same stitch again, and this time you can drop the stitch from the left needle. Let's go over that twice more. Knit into the next stitch, leaving the old stitch on the needle, create a yarn over, and then knit into the same stitch again, this time dropping it from the needle. Let's go over that one more time. Knit into the next stitch and leave the old stitch on the left needle, create a yarn over, and knit into the stitch again, dropping the stitch from the left needle. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. If you'd like new tutorials delivered directly to your inbox, sign up for our newsletter at knit.tips/news.